Freddy the Frog and the Jumping Contest. In Lily Pond Lake, Freddy the Frog was famous for one thing. He loved to jump a little too much. Every morning, he would leap over lily pads, rocks, and sometimes even his friends just to see how far he could go. One day, the animals announced a great jumping contest. Freddy was overjoyed. Finally, I will show everyone my incredible jumps, he said. The contest began. The other frogs leaped carefully and gracefully. The turtles, well, they tried, but everyone expected them to flop. Freddy, however, was so confident that he didn't pay attention to anything. He jumped, he twirled, he flipped in the air, and splash! He landed in a mud puddle, completely covered in muck. The rabbits giggled, the ducks quacked. Are you okay, Freddy? Asked a worried squirrel. Freddy popped his head out of the mud and said, I'm fine, I can still win. He tried again, but this time he got his feet tangled in reeds and crashed into the water. Every jump became messier than the last. Soon, Freddy was a muddy, dizzy frog sitting in the pond, while the other frogs quietly made their clean, careful jumps. Feeling frustrated, Freddy sighed. I just wanted to show off. Why can't I be perfect? Then his wise friend, a turtle named Timmy, paddled over. Freddy, showing off isn't the same as doing your best. You were rushing, not thinking. Sometimes taking your time and paying attention gets better results than trying to impress everyone. Freddy listened. He wiped the mud from his eyes and tried one last jump. Slowly, carefully, and with focus. He didn't do a crazy flip this time, but he landed perfectly on a lily pad. It wasn't the longest jump of the contest, but it was clean, steady, and impressive. The animals cheered. Freddy realized something important. Fun and focus are better than rushing to show off. From that day on, Freddy still loved to jump and play, but he remembered to practice, be careful, and enjoy the process, not just the applause. Moral of the story: rushing to show off can lead to mistakes. Focus, patience, and doing your best are more important than trying to impress others.